flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Let's discuss how streetwear is not just everything that's hype, not just your Yeezys and Jordans and Supremes and Wake, and how they get a little beyond all of that hype.
Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause the shit is real.
Alan, say hi to your vlog.
Get Alan to eat everything.
Have a gosh.
That's the marshmallow. It's a cherry jam stuffed bao that's been torched with a miso hot chocolate dip and lotus biscoff crumbs on top. Then we are having this vada bao, which is a bao which I got baked and started making vada bao like that. There's some soy imli chutney and a green garlic and a coriander chutney on top, and some chura. Make that happen.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. Yesterday was word on the street by the guys at Capsul. It happened in Bombay at 145 Bandra. It was actually a very hectic but fun day. I had a few of my sneakers on display. I was screen printing individualist t-shirts. Individualist prints on Capsul t-shirts. And I also moderated a panel discussion where we spoke about everything that's beyond the hype. And I'm here with an unboxing video. You guys all, I can't really call it a shopping haul, but let me take you through a couple of things that I picked up from Capsul first. Carhartt shoulder bag. I've had bum bags for a really long time now, and I just wanted something that's nice and I could use, not too big or whatever. And the reason I picked this up is because this is like the standard Carhartt color. I also picked up this t-shirt from the hundreds. It says, I have a feeling that I don't have any feelings. The guys at Capsul. It's like this bag is really handy. It's like I have my everyday carry knife. Man, this thing is really sharp though. And it's very light and well balanced, you see, exactly like how Thanos likes it. Perfectly balanced. Man, I tell you, the people at Capsul, they really know how to make a sale, because Bhavisha and then showed me these pants for this brand called Rip and Repair, and it's made in LA and all of that. It's a very basic trouser like thing. It's got one big back pocket on one side. It's also got a cargo pocket to offset that on the other side, but it's got this drop crotch and cropped length, which is what made me fall in love with it. And that's the brand detailing there, Rip and Repair. I'll try to put a fit together and show you at some point of time. You'll anyway find it on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, I highly recommend you do. You gotta excuse my cold, you guys. Like, I've got this nasty cold. I hope it's not the coronavirus, because that's what's been doing the rounds. Scary, right? Super scary. It sounds like a hangover, coronavirus. Let's get into the shopping haul. This isn't really a shopping haul, it's a candle that Ajay picked up. Introvert candles. Like I was saying, this thing is damn sharp. It's just that one slice. This thing is open. I don't know what this candle smells like. I don't know if it's a scent candle, but then I have a cold anyway, so it's unscented because nobody's anyway coming over. It's a package from Kith. Oh, sweet. A Kith coffee mug. Much love, Ajay. I also picked up 3 t-shirts from the guys at Kith. Now I don't know how the sizing for Kith works, so I just got large. I mean, how bad can it be, right? Let me actually unpack this, because I haven't yet got the Kith logo or the Kith text embroidered right there, and the rest of it is print. It's quite a heavy t-shirt in terms of weight. I'm thinking easily 240 GSM. They have a nice long ass label with their brand tag on it. This one's like a charcoal colored full sleeve tee. You have your Kith branding that's done right there on the chest, and a ribbed sleeve. And the last one, I think it's the same t-shirt but in a sand colorway. There you have it, Kith branding on the chest. I have 2 unboxings. Like you can see, we have the Yeezy slide. Now I was lucky enough to find this on the website. So both these pairs are for retail. Let's do the Yeezy slide first. A lot of conflicting opinions on these. I per se fell in love with them, especially since I got them for retail, and that's not got something on a t-shirt, and that's not too bad a deal. It was like $50 with shipping, 55, I can't remember really. But you have your typical Yeezy box, brown, minimal branding, just says the word slide there, which is what I'm gonna do, slide this box open. And I really loved that greenish colorway. I don't know what the name was. This thing's called Desan, so I think that was resin. But yeah, they sold out on those really quick, and the only colorway that they had was this one. Just look at it. I love this slide. Now the funny thing is they never came in half sizes. Either had a UK 8 or a UK 9. What I also found weird was that UK 9 on this is the same as US 9. Let me show you the label. US 9, UK 9, 43. So it's a good thing that I got a 9 because these things are really snug. They're just like proper, tight, true to size feels. You have the Adidas logo right there, and then on the inside it says, I don't know if you can see, but right there it says Yeezy and US 9. The reason I like it is because this is so big and the toe area is so freaking small and nice. Man, I'm gonna wear this. I really like this pair and I can't believe I actually got it that easy. Undefeated. If you followed me long enough, or you followed my blog or whatever, I always said that the Air Max 90 is where my true love for sneakers, or the rekindled love for collecting sneakers, began. So I was really happy when Undefeated dropped these. Oh, I must show you this paper though. It's got the Undefeated and the Nike logo on the butter paper from the sneaker, and they dropped in 8 colorways. So there was white with red, yellow, blue and green detailing, and then there was a black pair, and I got the black pair with the blue detailing. Let me get both of these out. Let me give you a closer look at the pair. It's all leather, the upper, and your same old details. This is what I love. They replaced the Nike Air with the Undefeated logo. Very minimal in approach. You also have this Dubre right here with the Undefeated text. It also came with spare laces, the blue ones, but although I'm going to keep the black ones on. The leather is something else on these. Look at that. So damn soft. On the lace tips, it says Undefeated high. You got the Nike branding here, the Nike branding on the tongue. Your insole has the Undefeated logo as well. The air unit inside is black, and then you have the blue here. Very minimal. A lot of people were not feeling these because I think they felt it was too lazy. I personally also wanted to pick up the black and yellow pair because that pair was like popping mad. You know that these done true to size, and Air Max is celebrating the 30th anniversary of the 90 this year on Air Max Day. Alright, so now I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. If you like the video, make sure to give this a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, or if you aren't new to the channel, you've been watching my videos but you haven't really subscribed, I'd request you to subscribe, because that's what motivates me, gets me more views and pushes me to do more such videos. I'm really grateful for all the love and support I get from you guys, and that's about it for now. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.
I flipped it in a double. All that I would have, and I flipped it in a double.
Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. like 365. Cause the shit is